stop what you're doing. Right now, a cosmic game of billiards is playing out across the solar system, and the stakes are both our planet's safety and the answer to the ultimate question: are we alone? Just this week, an asteroid near miss had astronomers holding their breath. This space rock, completely undetected until the last moment, flew closer to Earth than some of our own satellites. It was a terrifyingly close shave. Meanwhile, a 500 million miles away, on the icy moon of Saturn, Enceladus, scientists are getting closer than ever to confirming the building blocks of life within its hidden ocean. This isn't science fiction, folks. This is the latest space news, and it's happening right now. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, we're going to break down the size, speed, and implications of this near miss, and reveal the incredible organic molecules that make Enceladus the prime candidate for extraterrestrial life in our solar system. Let's start with that close call. The term near miss can be misleading on a cosmic scale, but this one was truly an uncomfortably close shave. The object, officially designated Asteroid 2025 TF, flew past Earth on October 1st. And here, as the most alarming part, it passed within about 266 miles of our planet's surface. To put that in perspective, that's closer than the International Space Station, and closer than most of the low Earth orbit satellites that run our GPS and communications. If you were an astronaut floating in the ISS, this thing was your neighbor for a few moments. 2025 TF is estimated to be around 1 to 3 meters or 3 to 10 feet in diameter, about the size of a small car. Now you're probably asking, why wasn't this plastered all over the news before it happened? Well, this highlights a massive challenge for what we call planetary defense. Objects of this size are incredibly difficult to spot until they are right on top of us. 2025 TF wasn't even discovered until hours after its closest approach, emphasizing the crucial need for NASA and global agencies like the European Space Agency to invest in better near-Earth object tracking technology. If an asteroid of this size did enter our atmosphere, it likely wouldn't be an extinction-level event. It would create a spectacular fireball or a loud airburst, much like the famous Chelyabinsk event in Russia back in 2013. But this event serves as a critical wake-up call. What if the next one we miss is 10 times larger? The work of the Center for Near-Earth Object Studies and missions like the successful DART mission, the one that deliberately hit an asteroid to prove we can deflect them, is more vital than ever. We've got the tools. We just need to keep hunting for the bigger, potentially hazardous asteroids out there. Now let's switch gears from terrestrial threat to cosmic hope. 500 million miles away, a tiny moon of Saturn is delivering some of the most exciting results in the history of astrobiology: Enceladus. For years, we've known this moon is one of the most promising places to find life beyond Earth. Why? Because it has the 3 essential ingredients: liquid water, a source of heat, and organic chemistry. And it's that third point that just got a massive update. Scientists reanalyzing data from the legendary Cassini spacecraft, which plunged into Saturn back in 2017, have confirmed the presence of complex organic molecules spewing out of those famous icy geysers near the moon's south pole. These aren't just simple carbon compounds. We're talking about fragments that indicate much larger, more complicated chemicals, including aromatics, esters, alkenes, and compounds containing both nitrogen and oxygen. This is the kind of robust, advanced chemistry you need to form amino acids and ultimately proteins. In other words, these are the chemical precursors, the fundamental building blocks that were available on early Earth for life to spontaneously emerge. The fact that these complex molecules are being detected in the freshest ice grains, directly sourced from the underground ocean, proves they haven't been contaminated or altered by the harsh space environment. This strongly suggests that the Enceladus Ocean is a chemically dynamic, active environment, likely fueled by hydrothermal vents at its rocky core. As one lead scientist put it, you have everything you need to form life. This latest finding pretty much seals Enceladus's status as a top-tier habitable world candidate. So, what does this all mean for us here on Earth? It means we are living in a golden age of space discovery, balancing the critical need to protect our home while simultaneously searching for new life elsewhere. On the asteroid front, the immediate focus is on early detection. We have to spot objects like 2025 TF much sooner. New telescopes and advanced AI-powered tracking systems are being developed to build an exhaustive catalog of every single near-Earth asteroid out there. Planetary defense isn't a theory. It's a rapidly evolving field of study. And for Enceladus, the next step is a dedicated follow-up mission, like the proposed Enceladus Orbilander. This mission wouldn't just fly through the plumes. It would orbit the Moon and eventually land, using advanced instruments to directly analyze the ice and potentially search for actual biosignatures, the chemical proof of microbial life. From a heart-stopping asteroid flyby to the incredible chemistry of a distant ice moon, space continues to deliver unbelievable stories. The questions remain. How ready are we for the next big rock? And how long until we get a definitive answer from the deep ocean of Enceladus? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Which news excites you more? Planetary defense or the potential for alien life? Like this video, subscribe for more space exploration updates, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss our next deep dive into the latest science news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next orbit.